Hi everybody. Today we're going to learn how to use our Google Classroom in the best way possible. How do we get the most out of our Google Classroom? So we're going to watch this video and be answering some questions along the way. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to learn how to get to Google Classroom from Rapid Identity. Also, what is Rapid Identity? So we're going to make a new tab. These things up here are called tabs, okay? I'm using Google Chrome as my Internet Explorer, so I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click this new tab button. This is how you can make new windows when you're in the internet. So let's say we're on a Google Meet and I tell you go to Google Classroom. You're going to click this so you can come to a new tab and you'll still have whatever you have open over here, but you'll also have the new thing. So if you don't have Rapid Identity like already in your past searches or whatever, you can always type in sso.mcallenisd.net. Okay, so you should have applications here. This is where we're going to find everything that McAllen ISD wants us to be able to use. Yours is going to look a little bit different than mine right here because this is a teacher's Rapid Identity, but it should look similar to this. So you always want to find Google Classroom. You can also type it up here if you don't want to look through each individual little app. Google Classroom. We're going to click it. And then you should have all the classes that you're enrolled in, okay? So we're going to go to the one that this is. And here we are at the front page of our Google Classroom. All right, so let's recap really quickly. So if you want to go to Rapid Identity, you type in sso.mcallenisd.net, and then you look through all these apps. Rapid Identity that shows you where all the McAllen ISD apps are. So you're going to find the Google Classroom. You can use the search bar up here to type find Google Classroom, and that will take you to all of your classes, and you click the one you want to get into. Okay, so once we're here on the home page of my Google Classroom, what is this? What is on it? Why do we need to be here? Why is this an important page? Okay, so this is our front page of the Google Classroom. This is where you're going to find announcements. And yes, you do need to read the announcements. We won't have announcements every day, but you do need to read them. We will also find some important things. The class time. You're going to find my Google Voice number, my email, the days that we meet, okay? And what times can you message me? From here to here, Monday through Friday, 7:45 to 5 o'clock. All right, so once we get here, we want to go to the classwork because we're not going to ever find classwork here. We're only going to see announcements. So this is a welcome announcement. This one's just telling us not to forget about asynchronous day. So we want to go to classworks here. All right, so where is the sign-in sheet and how do I know what I'm supposed to do today? So once we get here, remember, we always want to sign in before we do anything. Every single day, Monday through Friday, you want to sign in to class because that's how you get counted as present. So what do we look for once we get to classwork? And remember, the classwork is a tab up here. You're going to look for the day. What is today? What is the day's date? You always got to find that. And that should be the first thing you click on once you get here. So we're going to go to the day, and you're going to see a Google slide. You always want to click on that Google slide. If you're going backwards, you're going to see a class recording of whatever happened that day, but we always want to click on the Google slide first. And here is how we find our sign-in sheet, okay? And I want us to always click the present button when we get to our Google slide. So sometimes I will have recorded instructions for this class. Sometimes I won't. It just depends. You'll know if I do once you hit present. And the reason why I like you guys to hit present is because I like you to be able to click on these tabs easily. So you're going to click there, and here is the sign-in sheet, okay? Then you're going to follow the agenda in order, whatever the order is. Number 2 tells you to log on to the Google Meet. Number 3 tells you whatever it tells you, okay? So that's how we know what to do for class. Here's another one. Here's a Wednesday. This is an asynchronous day. Hit present. So again, it goes straight to the audio. We would hit sign in, and then we would do whatever it says to do, okay? So this one is telling us that we have a quiz that we need to do for number 2. So we're going to hit the quiz button. Make sure you're logged in with your McAllen ISD email. And it takes us to our assignment in Google Classroom. All right, now here is our assignment. It's telling us that we have to do this quiz. If we want to do the English one, we can take this one. If we wanted to do the Spanish quiz, there is a different one. So the way we do this assignment is you click on the link. I already did this quiz, I already responded. So now that takes us to our next question. How do I turn in assignments? So once you finish your assignment, like here, I finished this assignment, we have to go back. We have to go back here to this part of our Google Classroom, all right? So if you close this window and you're like, oh no, what do I do? I close the window. How do I get back there? You can always come back to the classwork page of our Google Classroom, and you'll still find it down here. All right, so you would still click it, click view assignment, and here we are. Okay, now I finished this assignment. I finished this quiz. The next thing I need to do so the teacher knows that I finished is I need to mark it as done. A lot of us forget to do this. So once I mark it as done, it says you didn't attach work, and that's fine because we didn't have to attach work. So click mark as done. And now the teacher knows that I have submitted my work. Now, we'll practice this again. Let's go back. So again, let's say that Friday, we had independent work on Friday. We're going to sign in first. Then, well, first off, we'll press the present button, right? We're going to sign in. We're going to watch this video. So you would click that. It would take us to this video. Watch it all the way. Then it wants us to record our Flipgrid. It has this Travis Has Talent assignment, right? So record your Flipgrid. Takes you here to the assignment. It is explaining what we need to do, right? Then I'm going to go record it. I'm going to go do my thing on the Flipgrid. And then I need to come back once I'm done. If I recorded my video on the Flipgrid, I need to go back once I'm done, once I finish this assignment, and click mark as done. Don't forget, that's super important. Mark as done. Because I finished the assignment, okay? So that's how we turn in assignments. It's super important that we don't go straight to the assignments once we get to this classwork page. We always, the first thing we do, first thing of our class period, we want to go to our virtual classroom, our Google Classroom, right? We want to go here. But obviously, sometimes we need to go straight to the classwork because let's say we did a Flipgrid and we did not save the tab, it's down here. Okay, So remember, how do we turn in assignments? View assignment, click submit. If you want to unsubmit, let's say you're not done. Let's say, oh, I remember I want to change something. You can unsubmit it, get it back, fix whatever it is you want to fix, and then mark as done again. Okay, so you've caught up with all your work. You have done everything you're supposed to do. How do you check your grades? How do you check to make sure you don't have any assignments that you missed? How do you check everything? The last slide, how do I check on past assignments? How do I make sure I'm fine? So here we are again on our classwork page. Remember, this is the front page. We want to click on classwork. Up here, we have these buttons. We have Class Drive folder, Google Calendar, Meet, and View Your Work. You want to click on View Your Work because this will show you all the things that I have assigned to you, and it will show you what you have done and what you have not. So this is missing for Mr. B, but he did finish Travis Has Talent, and it even says that he turned it in late, and the Rules and Procedures quiz. So if I wanted to check on it, I could see the details, and once I return it to you, it should have a grade here, okay? So if you guys have any questions about your Google Classroom, let me know and I can help you guys, but that's pretty much the basics. So when we get to our Google Classroom, quick review, this is the front page. Check to make sure that we don't have any new assignments or announcements. Check to make sure we don't have any new announcements. Go to our classwork, find the date, click the Google slide, click present, listen to the audible instructions, click sign in, complete the sign-in sheet, and then click the rest of the agenda in order. All right, so if you need to know anything more, I will be here. You can find me on the Google Meet. You can message me through any of these ways that I have here. Just let me know if you have any questions and I will be more than happy to help. Bye guys. Thanks a lot.